Many of us suffer from various mind issues like a strange behavior or a strange kind of feeling within us, or anxiety, depression, OCD, phobia, fear. See, all these are connected to certain energies within the body. They can have different causes or reasons, but when the problem is acute or it's more evident than it should be, uh, you know, because everybody has a certain kind of or a certain level of anxiety or depression which keeps coming and going. But when it is disturbing to a large extent, or you are unable to perform your day to day activities, then that is something which you have to look at. All these issues can have various reasons. As I said, it could be something from your past, like your childhood or your school days or your office days, or pre-marriage, post-marriage, pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy, in women. So always an issue or a mind issue is connected to a event in the past. So what normally we do is we try to repress or try to forget that bad incident which happened in our life. It could be simple traumas, it could be major traumas, or it could be an issue with our relative. And it is also seen that sometimes an external person can also influence our life. So whenever there's an energy entanglement from another person, it can cause an issue and disturb us mentally. So these are some of the reasons of a mind issue. It is very helpful once the mind therapy is done, because we are able to identify the source of the problem and give a new understanding to the subconscious to fix that problem, whatever is affecting us today.